with the beautiful girl that I met made in Japan. The beauty of her face was beyond my wildest dreams.
Hello everyone, hello Dr. Uli. I'm Putri Salapauja. Today, I will present an analysis of an argumentative paragraph based on article that I selected from the CLA journal. The article I chose is entitled Boosting Pedagogical Innovation in Grammar Class Among EFL Learners Through Miraculous Teaching Strategies. It was written by Hesti Rokania, Alda Mulia Putra, and Aris Pahriza and published in 2025. So, based on my article paragraph of this research article, I collaborated with Gemini to generate a strong argumentative paragraph. I am holding the printed paragraph here and it reads as follows. I will read it. Miracles should be adopted more widely in EFL grammar classes because it promotes learner engagement and improves language learning outcomes. According to Rohania et al. 2025, the majority of learning actively participate in group discussion. It feels confident in expressing their ideas, while retrieval-based activities were reported to be effective in helping students learn grammar. Furthermore, the author found that miraculous teaching strategies encourage collaboration, problem solving, teamwork, and learner self-confidence, which are essential 21st century skills. Although some educators may argue that easy learner facilitators could reduce the lecture's role or create inconsistencies in instructions, the study said that lecturers continue to serve as mentors, supervisors, and providers of feedbacks throughout the learning process. Therefore, Miraculous is not merely a group learning technique, rather it is innovative pedagogical strategy that engages both academic learning and learner development. Now let us analyze the structure of these paragraphs. An effective argumentative paragraph does not simple to summarize information. Instead, it uses evidence to defend a particular position. First, the main claim occurs in the main sentence or the opening sentence. Here, I will check it. The main sentence or the opening sentence. That miracles should be adopted more widely in EFL grammar classes because it promotes learning engagement and improves language learning outcomes. This statement clearly expresses the writer positions. And the second, the paragraph uses evidence to support the claim. The evidence comes directly from the finding of the study. For example, here, so the author reported that the majority of learners actively participate in group discussions and feel confidence in expressing their ideas. In addition, retrieval-based activities were perceived and effective for grammar learning. These findings are not merely reported, that are used to justify why miracles should be adopted. So third, the paragraph includes a counter-argument. It acknowledges that some educators may worry that learning facilitators and reduce the lecturer's role to create inconsistencies in instructions. However, this concern is immediately addressed by presenting evidence from the study. The author explained that lecture might involves as mentors, supervisors, and provides of feedbacks through the miraculous process. Finally, the paragraph ends with a clear resolution. Therefore, Miraculous is not merely a group learning technique, rather it is an innovative pedagogical strategy that encourages both academic learning and learner development. These concluding statements reinforce the original claim and provide a strong recommendations based on the evidence present. So, besides having a clear argumentative paragraphs or argumentative structure, this paragraph is persuasive because it uses meta-discourse strategical. So here I will identify example of both interactive and interactional meta-discourse. First, interactive meta-discourse. The first example is words furthermore. This is a transition marker. It helps the readers to follow the progressions of ideas by adding another supporting and arguments to the discussion. So the second example is a word therefore. This is also transition markers. It signal conclusions and help readers understand that the final statement is based to the evidence present earlier. So now let's move to interactional meta-discourse. The first example in the price is should be adopted more widely here. Should be adopted more widely. This function is a booster because it's expressing a strong degree of contrary and confidence of the recommendations. The second example is the parse some education may urge. Some education may urge. It is meta-discourse. It is interactional meta-discourse with the function is head. It is acknowledge alternative viewpoints and demonstrate academic education, academic quotient, making the arguments more balanced and credible. Here, another example for the interactional meta-discourse, it praise the study stats. Here, the study stats or the other points. It is same interactional meta-discourse too, with function is a booster because they implies that the arguments is supposed by research evidence rather than personal opinion. So guys, this meta-discourse features makes the paragraphs easier to follow and more persuasive for readers. So finally, here we are in conclusion session. Thank you for listening my analysis from the first until the end. So here I will conclude that in conclusion, collaborating with Gemini helped me understand how professional academic writings combines a strong argumentative structures with effective meta-discourse to create confidence arguments. This analysis has shows how claims, evidence, counter-arguments, resolutions, and meta-discourse work together to the strength academics argumentations. The question from CLA article also demonstrates how research findings can be used as credible evidence and to support an academics arguments. So guys, here this is the end session. So thank you for listening and thank you for your attention. See you at the next videos. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay. Hello everyone. Hello. Kok deh sih? Hello everyone, hello Dr. Luli. Group learning technique, rather it is innovative. The structure of this paragraph and rather it is effective paragraphs and learning technique, rather it is innovative. Something motor